What's the meaning of brownie? Brownie. Brownie.
Brownie. Brownie. The term brownie can refer to a number of things, depending on context. However, in most cases, it refers to a type of dessert that is often chocolate-based and characterized by its dense, fudgy texture. Brownies are typically made with ingredients such as butter, sugar, chocolate or cocoa powder, flour, and eggs, and may also include nuts or other flavorings. When prepared correctly, brownies have a crispy top layer and a moist, rich interior. They are a popular dessert in many countries around the world and are often served with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or drizzled with chocolate sauce for added decadence.